What's up, YouTubers? Alright guys, look, it is Sunday the 27th, I think. I've got to work today. I got to leave out about 3. I'm in my work truck, hence, I'm not down at the garage. I've only got a couple hours to kill. I'm going to go over to Harbor Freight, pick up a drill. I'm going to go to Walmart, probably pick up some products. But I had my truck washed a week or 2 ago, and I don't know if the wheels were hot, if the guy just didn't know any better or what, but somehow he sprayed something on my wheels and stained them. They look burnt. I mean, they look terrible. I'm going to do my best to show you what is going on, and I'm going to try and see if I can make them any better. I don't think I'm going to get a lot done today. If anything, I might get one. But we're going to see. The sun's steadily rising on me. It's getting hotter and hotter, and I'm about to run out of shade. So I need to go get this stuff. I need to hit the stores, come back, get everything set up, and try to get something done. So stay tuned. By the way, if you know of a better way or an easier way or a decent way or whatever on how to do this, save me some elbow grease, because I promise I'm not going to get done today. Leave me a comment. I need to know. I'm going to let you know what it looks like. I'm going to show you how bad it is. I'm going to let you know what kind of progress I make with the tools that I get today. Stick around. You're about to find out with me. So let's go do it. All right, guys. I'm here at work. I got to go to work today, but I was going to see if I could maybe start polishing on these wheels and get them cleaned back up. I went to a local car wash that kind of does it by hand or whatever, and well, they sprayed acid or something on my 6-month-old wheels and have absolutely ruined them. They just absolutely ruined them. I'm gonna do my best to try to polish this out. I ain't got time to run down to storage and all that, so I just went to Harbor Freight and I just bought a corded drill, because cordless, there's no way it's going to last that long. But here's the backwards. And the other side's the same way. Now I just went to a local drive-through car wash, and I spent a little bit of time. You can see it. Well, if I can get the darn thing to go in there. There it is. This area here, I did about a 10-inch section right there by hand 3 or 4 times, and I just realized it's working, but it's not anything I'm going to survive doing by hand. So I got me a little mother's cone thing that you put on a drill, and I went to Harbor Freight, like I said, and bought a corded drill. I'm here at work, like I said. I'm just going to see how much of this I can get done and knocked out. See how much more of this I can get off. I doubt very seriously if I'm going to get all 4 done today, but I figured I'd do a quick little video and show you if you've got wheels that have been stained by acid or any other kind of cleaner, that somebody didn't know what the heck they were doing, they screwed up your wheels. Show you how you might be able to get them clean again. All right, I'll get back with you once I get everything going and I give this little test go. Ooh, it is hot out here. So I got in the shade, but the sun's coming up on me, and it's about to get me. So I think I'm going to wrap it up. I got one, let's call it 90% done. Get in here and get a better view for you. Let's see if I can get the upper. So I don't know if the camera's doing as justice as in person would, but I know you're going to be able to see a difference. This was maybe 45 minutes of working on this out here. And like I said, then the sun is right here at me, and I'm not going to stay out here in the sun and do it. It's 90, some odd degrees today. So, and I'm just gonna go grocery shopping. Like I said, I got to go to work today. I still got to get some grocery shopping done for the truck for the week. So that's what I'm gonna do. This little mother's comb thing. Then I went, like I said, to Harbor Freight and I bought this thing. It is on sale. This is the weekend before Labor Day weekend, and it's on sale for $29.99. Normally $39.99. But so I got it. This stuff is what I'm using. And there's probably something out there that is better. I don't know, but that's what I'm using. A couple of fiber towels to clean the mess up, and it is certainly a mess thing. I just see I got that right there still to wipe off. Whoops, missed that. But yeah, so 90% ish done. There's a couple of areas that need a little more love. I can't remember if this brand new was completely polished, like to a mirror. I don't think it was. I'll have to go back and look at some images. I know the description said brushed metal with silver, but that's what the face is. I don't know if any of this will pick up. It says brushed, and then the painted silver. So I don't know if it ever said. I thought it was a stainless steel lip for some reason, but as you can tell, this metal polish blackens it up. I don't know if that works on stainless steel too. My only experience with working with metal polish is on aluminum wheels when they turn black. But a lot of that staining is coming out. And I've went over this thing probably half a dozen times at various different speeds with this thing. Like I said, I got about 45 minutes into it, and it's still not 100%. So look here, guys, if you're going to do this, be prepared to spend the better part of a day. And get comfortable, get you some drinks, turn on some tunes, do whatever you got to do to zone out, because it is no fun. No fun. But beats the heck out of having a ruined pair of wheels. I don't mind putting in the time when the conditions are better than they are. And it's coming up on September. Maybe in another month and a half or two it'll get a little cooler, or maybe I'll find a different place or a shade, or come out early in the morning. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Try to get these other 3 knocked out. Probably all won't happen in one day. I'll probably do the 2 fronts in a day, and then that other rear. The rears, they're 11-inch wide, so they got a deeper lip on them. The fronts are only 9 inches wide, so I think they got about a 2-inch shallower lip, so maybe they won't take as long. Maybe I'll be able to knock them out a lot quicker. But let's put this around. This right here, this 4-wheel drive look, that's going away one way or another. So stay tuned. Got tons of parts, tons of plans, just ain't got a ton of time. But hit that like, subscribe, comment if y'all know. Good Lord, if you know a better way of getting rid of this stains and stuff, please help a brother out, save me from all this. If you don't, hey, that's cool. Maybe I'm helping you, who knows. But comment, subscribe, share it, send it to your buddy that ain't got a clue, whatever.